Hello guys, and today's tutorial will be about how to put Feho in your picture. So here we have a picture of Konosuba characters, cause I love Konosuba and I had no other picture to find. So what we're gonna be doing is that we have a picture of Feho. This was requested by a comment, by the way. So we take the picture of Feho and paste him in here. What we want to do is make Feho become this guy over here. This can very easily be done if we scale Feho to the matching size. So now we just need to crop out the unnecessary stuff. And we can do that by taking his actual whole picture. I actually got a way detailed idea of how we can do this. So what you gotta do is I'm just gonna really quick duplicate this layer so I can work with it, and in case something goes wrong I can just use this layer over here. So basically what we want to do is we're gonna crop Feho's face point where we can swap his face with the other guy's face. So what we're gonna do, put in Feho's face on top of this guy's face. Gonna make his eyes bigger because it's like anime eyes, right? Am I right? Okay, I've created abomination. Let's not do that. Okay, I'm gonna select Feho. Gonna click on select, modify, subtract by 3 pixels. I'm gonna go into the background and delete the background. I can see the contents where the Feho's face should be is deleted. Now the only Feho's face is there. Now all I just gotta do is highlight layer with the Feho and the background copy, make sure Feho is actually highlighted fully, and click on edit and auto blend layers. And you're gonna put seamless tones and colors, content aware, fill transparent areas as well, and just click OK. And there you go. Now you have Feho in your picture and he looks amazing. Mwah. Thank you everybody for watching. Please subscribe.